front of the cage, and I think she was in there. Now, if something don't work out with this pad, I'll work out something. I've got plenty of bees in the house there. I'm not sweating it at all.
Oh, I'm not sweating it either, man.
Yeah, well, I want to get you a good hive set for the winter. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Hey guys, it's Tad again. So we, as you can see, got bees again. We're gonna try again. We've not had real good luck with our bees. There's a lot of farms around here that spray, and we've had hives collapse. We've had other stuff go wrong, but we keep trying. So I've got a friend who does bee removals from houses and businesses and stuff like that when they set up shop in walls and start building hives. But he got me three hives this weekend, and none of them were real strong hives. So we've combined all three of them, and hopefully they'll make one really strong super hive. We put the newspaper in there just to keep two of the hives from that top box. That's a new hive that we just put on there today, and we put that newspaper in there just to keep them from fighting. They'll eventually eat through the newspaper by the time they get used to each other, and hopefully, like I said, become one big super hive. Here in about 4 or 5 days, we'll remove whatever newspaper's left. But and then we've got some sugar water on there feeding them just to get them off to a good start. But yeah, you know, bees are one of those things that I've wanted to get started for a couple of years and have been struggling to do so, but we keep trying every year, and hopefully this is the one that does it. So we'll keep you posted. Hopefully we'll be getting some honey later in the year, or if not, early next year. But yeah, so there's our bees, and I'm hoping to add at least another 3 or 4 hives and have, you know, 4 or 5 strong hives to start out with. But yeah, this is where our bees are going to be. We got our orchard in the background here, and fields full of clover. So hopefully they stick around this time. So yeah, there's our bees. Till next time, guys.